Apna,
Yes, cousin.
after the salary hike, I've got some extra cash. PPF में डाल दूँ क्या?
But you already have EPF, right?
Yeah, but everyone says you should also have PPF.
But you should make an informed decision.
That is why I'm asking you. Please tell me what to do.
Cool. Let me explain. So EPF is Employees Provident Fund. As the name suggests, it's for salaried employees. In this fund, both the employee and the employer contribute, and the contribution gets directly deducted from your salary.
And what about the returns?
So the returns get revised every year, the rate of return gets revised, but currently it's at 8.25%. So say you and your employer combined invest around 12,500 rupees per month. So at the end of 15 years, your corpus will be almost 45 lakh rupees.
And what about the withdrawal and the taxation part?
So for withdrawal, after you complete 58 years of age, you can withdraw the full amount tax-free. You can also withdraw the amount once you have completed 5 years of continued service tax-free, but in this case, the withdrawal will be partial and for specific reasons.
And what about the unemployment scenario?
So if someone is unemployed for a year, they can withdraw the full amount but with taxes. Basically, if you withdraw before the completion of continued 5 years of service, tax lagega.
And tell me more about PPF.
So PPF stands for Public Provident Fund. As the name suggests, it's for everybody and not just salaried employees. But for PPF, there's an investment cap of 1.5 lakh rupees per year.
And what about the returns part?
So as EPF, the rate of return gets revised every year. Currently it's at 7.1%. So say if you invest around 12,500 rupees per month, at the end of 15 years, you will have around 41 lakh rupees at the current rate.
And what about the withdrawal and the taxation part for this?
So for PPF, there's a lock-in period of 15 years. You cannot touch that fund before that. लेकिन इसमें tax का कोई चक्कर नहीं है. So your investment, your returns and your withdrawal, all three are tax-free.
But real life scenario क्या बोलता है? कौन किसको pick करे?
So देखो दोनों government backed schemes हैं. But if you're an employee, if you're a salaried employee, then EPF works like a primary retirement pillar, and you get more flexibility and better returns as of today.
And what about the PPF?
So for self-employed people, PPF works as a best safety net with a focus on building retirement corpus. But you should choose according to your job type and not FOMO.
Thanks, Pavna. I hope this will clear the PPF versus the EPF debate.
I hope so too.
And hit the like button if you found this useful.
And follow us for more such money hacks like this one.